Where am I from? You don't even have to ask me. A Seminole at Florida State, I'm reppin' Tallahassee. A menace to society, we never rep sobriety. A town that never sleeps, we cheap like keeping it as high as we can. We keep it marching like our band, packing dope Campbell Stadium with 80,000 fans, girls in skimpy shorts and jorts from my favorite yoga pants. A campus full of beauty, girls with booty, goddamn. A football team that's ranked, roommates we can prank. It's a college town, you better have a fake ID to drink. And some money in the bank, cause it probably won't last. Crazy nights, waking up, hungover, 8 a.m. class. We got a reputation for partying hard with easy girls and nice weather, and our students are smart. I could tell you some stories and I could pour out my heart, but I'm sorry Tallahassee, only have 16 bars.